In this video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube buffering issue. Now to fix this, what you want to do is come up here, delete browsing data, choose all time, and make sure you delete all of this. Now keep in mind this will log you out of your platforms, so you need to log in again. So make sure you know the password. Simply delete all time. After that, what you want to do is you want to come down to System, make sure you disable this one. When it's disabled, relaunch your Google Chrome and see if it works. If it's still not working, you should try and use another browser instead of Google Chrome, or let's say you're using Firefox, then you should use another one. Just simply try on a new browser and see if that works. Now, as the last thing, what you should do is come down here and search for Bluetooth. Make sure you disable Bluetooth on your PC, so make sure it is not enabled. Once you've done that, your YouTube should be fixed. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.